Hey, this is Joey here at Best Trailers. I'm going to show you this Anderson HGL trailer. We're going to load a scissor lift. I've been using this scissor lift all week to do some electrical work here in the new shop. I also want to thank Powerhouse for hooking us up with a scissor lift. If you need any equipment rentals, go to Powerhouse, they'll get you hooked up. But this is a 6x10 Anderson HGL drop deck trailer. So it doesn't tilt, doesn't have ramps, the whole bed drops down to the ground. Makes it easy to load scissor lifts, forklifts, anything along those lines. On the front here, you've got toolboxes with a lock pin through it. You can put a lock in there. One side is just straight toolbox. The other side has your pump to drop everything down. There's a safety latch here to keep it from going down when you don't want it to. Just pull the safety latch, let it down. Takes a minute to go down, but this has got 7,000 pound axles. So you can put roughly 10,000 pounds on here. Up to 10,000 pounds to be your payload. You've got tie hooks going down to the floor, chain hooks. Strap your equipment down. There's a solar charge on there to help maintain the battery. Let's load some equipment up. All right, as you can see, I got my scissor lift loaded up on here. Went on here with ease. It does great with scissor lifts, great with pallet jacks, great with forklifts. Anything you need to drop down low to the ground to get on there. A lot of safe companies like them when they deliver safes. Roll it on there with a forklift, roll it off with a power jack. Same with flooring companies, tile companies. Anything that takes a real low clearance. Come see us today. We got all your drop deck trailers in stock. We do also offer these in an enclosed trailer model. So if you want to keep it out of the weather, we can do that. Our number is 478-654-5350.